Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna show you my video journal from today, this morning's trades, and I think the topic should be missed opportunities, as there was some good opportunities, but I missed them, and I will explain and show you how. So let's look at the chart and see here. I started the day around that will be around here. Here's my arrow around here. You see I have up here, I have a resistance area, and down here there's a support area. Support area is taken from these previous resistance or rejectance areas. So price is in a nice range, which often gives very good opportunities. And let's start out. Here was my first opportunity. As you can see, it was a very nice bullish divergence. Price rejected from my support level. Yeah, I waited a bit too long because it's just spiked up very fast, so I didn't enter. Well, I was just too slow. So I waited, and the price climbed up, followed this trend line here, and then was up and started to reject around my resistance area, broke my trend line, and I did short. Price went a little bit down, and then it went up and took my stop loss and break even. I was sitting and thinking about should I re-enter the short here, but no, I decided not to, and it went all the way down to this took my trend line here. Trend line is from sorry, from this week here and this week. So a very valid trend line, very close to my support area. And again, I did long it. And this time my session was overdue, so no more trades for me. Um, yeah, not so much to say about it. It happens sometimes that you miss opportunities and also therefore miss some good profit or some money. I don't want to start to explain why I didn't take them and so on, because both all three opportunities was fair entries, fair setups that should have been done. But that is also a little lesson in sometimes you should just trust your own technical analysis and enter when the signals and signs are there instead of hesitating and waiting too much. So yeah, that was it for me today. I wish you all a good day and a good weekend when you come so far. Bye bye.
Tell them you're feeling them.